Hey everybody, it's Mark again, and this is going to be a quick video. I don't, the way my YouTube channel is set up, it shows me new replies. I barely go back and look at replies to comments. Anyway, I was doing that today, and a couple of people out there have got the William J. Bilger's book on cuckoo clock repair manual, where mine has got a bigger 14 in it and theirs doesn't. So this video is going to be showing you a couple of the figures, which is the parts breakdown. And I hope that William J. Bilger doesn't get upset for me doing this, but all his books should have this figure. Apparently there's a book out there that people bought off of Etsy, and it doesn't have this parts breakdown figure number 14 in it for a regular 25 movement. So I'm going to show you the regular 25 and the regular 34 pictures of this book. And you might have to pause this video to look at the figures. And I hope this helps. Leave me some comments, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. May God bless. Here's one of the comments that I was telling you about. It said, I just scrolled through the PDF of the book I bought from Etsy, and the diagram is definitely not there, and it seems like it is extremely helpful. And this other person says, do you know where to find figure 14? And if you scroll up, it says, I bought one on Etsy, but it doesn't have figure 14 as yours. So let me show you the figures. Now this is my book, William J. Bilger's 3rd edition Cuckoo Clock Repair Manual, and this is figure 14. And I'm going to take a picture of this and add it to the video. The sun is coming through my window, so you might not see it that much. But here's the figure, and then you go to the next page, and it shows you the parts. Now, this figure, if I remember correctly, it doesn't show you every part, such as the B-wire. It doesn't show you that. There's no arrow pointing to the B-wire. There's no arrow pointing to the post. There's no arrow pointing to the U-wire. And I think there's something else that it doesn't show you. But anyway, and then the next figure is got to do with the regular 34 8-day movement. And I'm sorry, there's crap that's spilt on my book. But right here is the parts breakdown on the next page. This is figure number 15, and here's the parts breakdown on the next page. But and then this has got to do with the chain size and your manufacturer code. So let me take pictures of this stuff, and I'll add it to this video.